MightyFly unveils third-generation Cento cargo drone for autonomous same-day deliveries. MightyFly, a pioneer in autonomous aerial logistics, introduced its latest cargo drone, the 2024 Cento aircraft, marking the third generation of the MF-100 eVTOL series. The unveiling ceremony took place at the company's headquarters in San Leandro, California, on January 25, 2024. The 2024 Cento boasts cutting-edge features, including an efficient design, larger cargo bay, and autonomous delivery operations. This groundbreaking hybrid eVTOL cargo aircraft is designed to carry a payload of 100 pounds over a distance of 600 miles. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, has granted the 2024 Cento the Special Airworthiness Certificate and the Certificate of Authorization, COA, for an air corridor between Byron and New Jerusalem airports. MightyFly's commitment to innovation is evident in the design and capabilities of the 2024 Cento, states a MightyFly company announcement. The aircraft introduces several key features, such as a tandem wing design, structural conductors for increased reliability, a composite structure for reduced weight, and a modular design for optimized maintenance. A significant advancement is the incorporation of MightyFly's Autonomous Load Mastering System, ALMS, enabling the aircraft to autonomously manage cargo operations. This includes opening and closing the cargo bay door, receiving and ejecting packages, internal positioning and locking, and autonomously determining weight and balance, all without operator intervention. MightyFly is actively collaborating with Agility Prime and Air Mobility Command to address the U.S. Air Force's autonomous aerial logistics needs through the development of the ALMS feature. The Cento's cargo bay is notably larger than its predecessor, accommodating a diverse range of payloads' center of gravity. This versatility positions the Cento as a technology differentiator in the market, catering to various industries such as logistics, manufacturing, healthcare, pharmaceutical, retail, automotive, oil and gas, as well as humanitarian and disaster relief organizations. MightyFly Autonomous Cargo Delivery. We are very excited to showcase the 2024 Cento, which combines innovation with operational efficiency. It has the potential to transform expedited logistics across multiple industries, remarked Manal Habib, founder and CEO of MightyFly. The FAA approval for a new corridor between Byron and New Jerusalem airports, reaching up to 5,000 feet in altitude, is a significant milestone. It enables MightyFly to commence A to B flights, integrate the autonomous eVTOL into general aviation, and conduct A to B customer flight demonstrations, underscoring the maturity of MightyFly's autonomous aircraft and operations. Investor and founding partner of Draper Associates, Tim Draper, expressed enthusiasm for the Cento's potential to revolutionize logistics. This technology will help save lives and solve painful logistics needs of businesses around the globe, said Draper. MightyFly concluded the production of the third-generation Cento in early January 2024 and is set to commence aircraft qualification tests and flight trials between Byron and New Jerusalem airports. The company plans to debut public autonomous cargo aircraft delivery flights in Michigan in the fall of 2024, showcasing point-to-point autonomous delivery use cases. MightyFly's mission is to provide fast, affordable, and environmentally conscious expedited deliveries to businesses and governments. With a cargo capacity of 100 to 500 pounds, a range of 600 miles, and a speed of 150 miles per hour, MightyFly continues to be at the forefront of autonomous aerial logistics.